Hey guys, so this is part 2 of my sticker collection, Supreme sticker collection. So let's get on to it over here. If you've not seen part 1, please do click on the link in the comments below and you can check out that one. So this is so cool. Look at this. This has like a gorilla. This is also very cool. How cool is this? This is like a, I forgot what this is called. Okay, so as I told you, this is in my other video. I have extra of this particular sticker. So if you comment below, I will give you one of these. I'll ship it to you for free. So how cool is this? I don't know if this is Lady Gaga, but it kind of looks cool. How dope are these? So these are extremely collectible and I really love these stickers. Okay, so just let me show you some of my favorite ones. How cool is this? Look at this. Super dope. This is Marilyn Monroe, I guess. This is a gold tongue. Very cool. How dope is this? This is Obama. He's on sale. It's funny reason. So cool. So guys, as you see, I have a lot of stickers. This is Supreme Hero. How dope is this? This is actually artist illustration. It's very cool. Supreme on the moon. These are cool. Again, Supreme Louis Vuitton box logo. Supreme City box logo. So these are very cool. This is your Marilyn Monroe wearing a Guy Fawkes mask. This is I forgot his name, Chow something. Hey, look at this. How dope is this? Cool, right? This is so dope. Okay, so let's look at this. This is Supreme money, $100 bill. So I have a few more here. So let's look at this one. Super cool. Supreme hand. I actually have a hat like this, but I don't really know where it is because I have many hats. So Supreme box logo again. Supreme Superman. Bart Simpson. So I've been a big fan of the Simpsons also. So this is also a cool piece to have. So again, I have another Bart Simpson, which is super cool. This is a Supreme tennis ball. You actually get the tennis ball like this if you want to buy one. So that's the Supreme gun. How cool is that? So guys, that's it for part 2 of my Supreme sticker collection. If you want to see the remaining stickers, please click on the link in the comments and watch part 3 as well. So please do like and subscribe.